Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be going to show you how to create an account on Chat GPT by OpenAI. So let's get started. First, you open your browser and type chat.openai.com. Just click on sign up here since you don't have an account yet. You have a lot of options here on creating your account. You can either put your email here, continue with Google, Microsoft account, or your Apple account. It really just depends on what is convenient with you. I'll just continue with my Google account. Then, put your name and birthday and click on continue. Then verify your phone number. So just type your phone number here. By the way, you can also change the country code here. Just click on it. Then, after you have input your number, just click on send code. A message then will appear on your phone on the number you have input earlier then. Just type here the code that was sent to you. You now then have your account on Chat GPT by OpenAI. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.